Recently, I needed to hide the thumbnails from Photoshop's welcome screen to maintain privacy during a Discord live stream. Removing these thumbnails is not immediately obvious, but it's quite simple. Let me walk you through it along with two other powerful tips. So, the question arises, how do I remove or delete the thumbnails? It's actually straightforward but not readily apparent. Let's dive into it along with two additional tips. So the step number one, open your Photoshop, click on files over here, and when you click over here, go into the open recent, and you will see here clear recent file list. Click on it, and that's it. Sometimes it's not removed properly, so what you can do here, just close your Photoshop and relaunch it. It will hopefully solve your problem. Now let's move on the additional tips. How to hide the home screen in Photoshop. Whenever you launch Photoshop or close all documents, you are greeting with a full screen home page. Whether you find it useful or annoying, I will show you how to prevent it from appearing. So what you need to do here, again open the Photoshop and click on the Photoshop icon. It will move on this page. Anyways, it's not necessary. Just click on the file and then edit, and then go into the preference and then general. Once you click here you need to find that option, or to show the home screen. Just uncheck this option and then click on OK. That's it. Now whenever you launch the Photoshop, it will pop up just like this. Just watch it. See, directly into the Photoshop working place. Now the last one, increasing the amount of recent Photoshop files in the list. By default, when you select file and then open recently, you will see 25 files over here. When you go into the recent files, open files, you will see around 25 files. So you can increase the amount of the list available. What you can do here for that, just again go into the edit, then preferences, and this time you need to go here into the file handling, right? Once you are here, you can see here recent file list contains 20. You can increase it, whether you can decrease it, it's on you, it's your choice. When you increase it like 25 to 50 or 60 or 67, whatever you are using here, definitely you will see these images as a thumbnail whenever you are browsing your Photoshop, but only it will pop up when you check this option, or to show the home screen. Otherwise these lists will not appear, and you can see only the recent open recent files list over here. I hope you got it. There you have it, short and sweet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tech support. We are always open to suggestions, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections. Have a great day. Goodbye.